Welcome to my in-depth review of AutoBytel, a well-known online platform that connects car buyers with dealerships and sellers. If you're thinking about buying or selling a car online, chances are you've come across this site. I've spent a good amount of time exploring the platform, and in this video, I'll give you my honest thoughts based on real use. The homepage of AutoBytel immediately presents you with an intuitive interface. You can begin by selecting whether you want to buy a new or used car. The site offers quick links to popular makes and models, which is helpful if you know what you're looking for. One thing that stands out is the filtering system. It allows you to narrow results based on body style, price range, and even by local inventory, which is convenient for users who don't want to travel far to view a vehicle. That said, once you start browsing listings, the experience can feel a bit dated. Some of the listings are missing photos, while others lack key details like mileage or vehicle history. This inconsistency can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to make an informed decision. Compared to newer platforms, AutoBytel could definitely benefit from modernizing its interface and improving listing quality control. Submitting a lead to a dealership is straightforward. After selecting a vehicle, you fill out a quick form with your contact information. You'll then be contacted by a local dealer. However, in my experience, the follow-up can be hit or miss. Some dealerships responded promptly, while others never replied at all. This inconsistency makes the platform feel unreliable at times. If you're selling a car, AutoBytel isn't the most robust option. The site focuses more on buyers and dealer connections, not private party sales. It redirects sellers to affiliated services rather than offering an integrated selling process. That's a downside for individuals hoping to handle everything within one platform. The research tools on the site are actually quite solid. There's a section for expert reviews, vehicle comparisons, and pricing guides. These can help you make better choices, but they're buried under several layers of navigation and could be more accessible. Many useful links you can find in the description. AutoBytel also features loan and financing calculators, which are a plus. But don't expect pre-approval or any direct financing options through the platform itself. Most of the heavy lifting is done by third-party providers, which again feels like the site is more of a referral hub than a full-service solution. As far as mobile performance goes, the site works decently on smartphones, but the layout doesn't adapt as smoothly as some competitors. Slow loading times and small buttons can make navigation frustrating on smaller screens. In conclusion, AutoBytel is functional and can be a decent starting point for car buyers looking to explore inventory and gather information. But it falls short in terms of modern user experience, consistency of listings, and seller-friendly features. It feels like a platform that hasn't kept pace with competitors like CarGurus or AutoTrader, which offer more polished and complete services. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more honest breakdowns and real user experiences on car buying platforms and automotive tools.